Welcome to Stamper, the easiest way to sign and stamp documents. We've created a short video to help you get started. Let's begin. First, you'll need Stamper Mobile on your phone. Open the App Store, search for Stamper Mobile, and hit download. Next, open Stamper Mobile on your phone and follow the in-app instructions to capture your first signature. When prompted, be sure to give your signature a name. Stamper Mobile will give you a 6-digit code for your signature. Be sure to write down this code as we'll need it again in a second. Next, it's time to get Stamper Desktop. On your computer, visit www.stamper.app and hit download. Choose the version for your operating system and follow the prompts to install Stamper on your computer. Now, let's import the signature you captured a few moments ago. Open Stamper Desktop on your computer and click Add Stamp. Enter the 6-digit code and click OK. You are now ready to sign. From the main screen of Stamper Desktop, click Open File. Browse to the location of a PDF document saved on your computer and click Open. Now select your signature from the drop-down and then click anywhere in the document to apply your signature to the page. Once you're done, hit Save to save a copy of the document with your signature. Hooray! You've reached the end of this Stamper tutorial. Please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions you may have. We are here to help. Thanks for watching.